All right, let's do it, guys. Bean on bean. Bean, 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 bean. Good. Oh, they're beach. Okay, it's okay. We'll see auto. I'm expecting a loss, but we'll see. Yep, we're still leading, but they have a big dump. They're gonna take the lead. We're gonna lose. Yep, you're ferrying. You're ferrying, yep. Come deep, beat it. Yeah, beat 973, ferry right. And then right wall.
Right wall.
Are y'all moving? Are y'all okay? Right wall. Score.
All right, next.
Left wall close. Like trench, yeah, trench way. Perfect, come on back. Fill in our zone. Yep, fill in our zone if you can. To the corner, and then to the trench, or yep, to the tower. Shoot it. Yeah, you're good. Midfield.
Steal.
Right.
Steal.
Right. Perfect. Yep, all of it. Come on back. Ferry it. Yep, ferry as soon as you're done. Ferry this all.
Yep.
Or maybe, yeah. Okay, close. Perfect. Ferry again.
Next.
Close, and then score. Yep, our bump to there. Yeah. Right wall. Score. Score it. You're a little off. Okay, our zone, D to C to D. You anyone. Yep, send it. Yep, find the trench. Just score it. And then right wall, and then their hub. Yeah. We're missing, so just be careful. Steez, yeah, come on back. Never mind. Great, seal right. Hit them if you can. Hit them, and then return. Yep, return bump. Yep, ferry and then citrus donut. Okay, all right, trench. Come and score. Score it. You gotta score. Oh, a little, stop. Score now. Midfield, you gotta go midfield. We're going midfield. Midfield, yeah. Get to full. Citrus donut, steal all their fuel. Score. Trench. Score it. Corner will finish it. Yeah, corner. Score. Close. Score. I think we're in finals. Our robots messed up, but I think we're in finals.
And let's find out which alliance is moving on to face Alliance 1 in the finals right now.
Yeah! Awesome job, man. We're going to finals. Let's do it. Let's play our game. We're going to finals. We have 15 minutes.